Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Gala price prediction and Gala news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Gala in 2022. Gala Games aims to set a new direction for the gaming industry by giving players back control over their games. The mission of Gala Games is to create blockchain games that you actually want to play. The project plans to bring creative thinking back to games and give players control over games and in-game assets using blockchain technology. Players can own non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and influence the governance of games in the Gala Games ecosystem. The Founders Nodes voting mechanism allows players to influence which games Gala should develop and which games should receive funding. In addition to buying NFTs for certain games, Gala Games also uses Gala, its own utility token. So far, Gala Games has released one finished game, Town Star, and an NFT collectible series, Vox. Since launching in 2019, Gala Games has grown to 1.3 million monthly active users and sold 26,000 NFTs, the most expensive of which was valued at $3 million. Screen treasure hunting game. By the way, it is reported that this quest will last 5 days and end on February 14th. Upon entering the Samsung 837X space, a hologram prompts users to find and collect 5 discarded cardboard boxes to receive a gift. The gift turns out to be a seed to be planted in Samsung's virtual forest to highlight the company's commitment to sustainability. In exchange for planting seeds, users must receive a heart icon. To get the real gift, they need to go back on Valentine's Day. It kinda symbolizes their love for the forest, to exchange the badge for an exclusive new wearable. Despite the technical challenges, it seems that users have generally been pleased with Samsung's focus on climate issues and willingness to embrace evolving technology. One user who attended the event, Queen, said he liked the sustainability aspect of the event. Many people say that the metaverse separates us from the natural world, but this challenge proves just the opposite. On the other hand, some of the mainstream media that reported the launch weren't overly impressed. Cnet didn't hold back, writing that it was an example of what not to do when using the metaverse to launch a product. Is cryptocurrency at the current price, you should use a stop-loss order because the risk remains high. The current support level stands at $0.20, and if the price falls below it, the next price target could be around 15 cents. The first resistance level stands at 30 cents, and if the price jumps above this level, it would be a buy signal, and we have the open weight at 40 cents. Summary: the Gala token is the utility token of the Gala Games ecosystem, which is used as the medium of exchange between participants. Gala is currently down more than 70% from its peak, and the risk of further decline is still not over. One of the highest gainers of the day today was Gala Games token Gala. In fact, it managed to register an 8% hike, despite the broader market seeing a lot of consolidation. Interest in Gala: what may have contributed to this? Well, this could be the result of the appreciating interest in Gala Games, as verified by Google Trends as well. Since the beginning of March, it has recorded a stellar hike in interest. The spike in the appeal might also be the result of Snoop Dogg's recent launch of Death Row Records on the Gala music platform, as the world's first WEB3 record label. In line with the same, it launched the first NFT music from Snoop Dogg, with the same limited to a supply of 500 units. Despite the social bullishness, however, this 8% rally was just another day for Gala, since the altcoin has seen actual hikes of 13% more frequently. The altcoin will need sustainable periods of appreciation, since 80% of its rally from February has already been invalidated. Plus, price indicators did not seem to be supporting a price rise either at press time. Samsung 837X Connectivity Theater. Metaverse fans could also watch the action live on Samsung's YouTube channel and other social platforms. In the first 11 hours since its launch on February 9th, over 10,000 users have participated in the Samsung Unpacked 2022. The Epic Smartphone Standard, making it one of the most popular Decentraland (MANA) events to date. Despite complaints about technical difficulties, attendees said they were pleased with the South Korean electronics company's willingness to embrace emerging technology and focus on sustainability. Theoretically, users could pre-order new products by clicking the icon, which would take the user to the Samsung website. However, technical issues have plagued this feature, and many people have complained about it on Samsung's Twitter. Is this a site glitch? I can't even check out in my shopping cart, one user asked. Another user responded by saying that the same thing happened to him. They added that it looks like scalpers and robots are trying to outshine everyone. Meanwhile, others complained that they failed to get the NFT badge reward for completing star candle, but failed to surpass the flipped resistance of the $0.277 mark. Despite a sluggish price action, the Gala price gave a bullish breakout from the descending trendline on March 19th, providing the first signal to recovery. The breakout candle tagged the 50-day EMA and turned down to retest the breached resistance. The morning star candle formation it retests suggests prior resistance has switched to support. The potential rally could spike 65%, hitting the $0.4 mark. Conversely, if the altcoin slips below the descending trendline, it would indicate the current breakout was a bear trap, and coin price could sink to the January low of 15 cents technical indicator. Contrary to Gala price action, the RSI indicator SLOPE 48 makes higher highs, suggesting the buyers strengthen their grip. The Bollinger Band range narrowing emphasizes the short range in Gala price. Furthermore, the altcoin reverted from the upper band and slumped to the midline. This neutral level could bolster the buyers to rebound from the 23-cent support. Resistance level 27 cents, and 36 cent support level 21 cents and 15 cents. Gala's 8% rally, and what it does and doesn't do for its investors. One of the highest gainers of the day today was Gala Games token Gala. In fact, it managed to register an 8% hike, despite the broader market seeing a lot of consolidation. Interest in Gala. What may have contributed to this? Well, this is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of 55 cents, a minimum price of 53 cents, and a maximum price of 67 cents. Gala rate forecast 2025. It appears that by 2025, Gala prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2025, we can expect the average rate to be 78 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that the maximum price of Gala could be up to 92 cents in 2025. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Gala rate forecast 2026. The current Gala price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Gala could reach $1.32 by 2026, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $1.10 for 2026, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2026. Gala course prediction 2027. The cost of Gala will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2027 is bullish. Gala is expected to reach a maximum rate of $1.83 by the end of 2027, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Gala will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Gala will be between $1.52 and $1.58 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Gala ranges from $1.52 to $1.83 for 2027. Gala rate prediction 2028. An impeccable approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Gala will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2028, Gala is expected to peak at $2.63. The minimum bet could rise to $2.14 if the market turns bullish. Gala course prediction 2029. In 2029, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Gala will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $3.70 in 2029. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $3.21, with a maximum price of $3.70 for 2029. Gala price forecast 2030. For a long-term forecast of the Gala price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of Gala will rise to around $4.53 by 2030, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2030, the year may end with a maximum price of $5.49 with a minimum price level $4.37.